Hello everyone, welcome to this recording of iXL Core. We are still on setup and on settings, and today we want to look, and in this video we want to look at payment gateways. Payment gateways are what allows us to allow our customers to pay on our invoices. So when we have gateways, we have gateways when we set our bank account to ensure our bank account appears on the invoice. Under finance, we went through finance. Please check my video on finance, and we have payment modes. On this payment mode, we put in an offline payment mode. This bank account will appear on the invoice for the client to be submitting money through the bank. Under settings, we also have payment gateways, and these are online payment modules where clients can click on the invoice. So every time a client has an invoice that has an active payment gateway, there will be a button saying pay now, and they can pay through PaySapal, PayFast. Any of these payment gateways are approved to invoices. So basically, for instance, in general is receive notification when clients pay invoice. You get an email and then allow customers to modify the amount to pay for online payments. This will allow clients to pay partially on any invoice so that they modify. If you do not want the amount to be paid or modified, then you can say no. But for purpose of allowing the client to pay partial payments, for the system to accept partial payments, we say yes. And then if we have PaySapal, so we apply for PaySapal to give us consumer keys. When we have consumer keys, we input live consumer keys, and then we activate the payment gateway and the currency. For instance, this PaySapal is on Kenya shilling, and then we enable live and set by default on invoices. So whenever we are raising an invoice, apart from bank, client will also see a pay now button that is showing they can pay through PaySapal. There is PayFast also. This for South African rands or any other currency. We can have additional M-Pesa, we can have additional Rev as payment gateways. All these payment gateways you can apply to PaySapal to give you access. You can apply to PayFast to have access or authorize or whichever pay, and then you make them active. The system allows us to have more than 2 active payment gateways on the invoice. That means on checkout, client can use whichever gateway they want to use as long as the currency is supported. So for those clients we're billing in Kenya shillings, we allow the PaySapal gateway. For those we are billing in South African rands, we allow the PayFast. That's how we set up the payment gateways to allow our clients to configure that. Thank you for joining this session. As we deal with finance, you'll be able to see how the payment gateways are used for payment. Thank you. In the next video, we're going to look at the configure features